Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're taking a look at Sintra AI and reviewing how this cutting-edge platform is shaping the AI landscape in 2025. Whether you're a business looking for AI-driven solutions or just curious about the latest innovations, Sintra AI promises to bring powerful tools to the table. Let's dive right into it. What is Sintra AI? Sintra AI is an advanced artificial intelligence platform designed to provide businesses with AI-driven solutions to automate processes, improve decision-making, and enhance customer experiences. It's a versatile tool that combines machine learning, natural language processing, NLP, and data analysis to help organizations stay ahead of the curve in their respective industries. Features of Sintra AI. Predictive analytics. Sintra AI uses machine learning to provide predictive insights, helping businesses forecast trends and make smarter decisions. Natural language processing, NLP. One of the standout features is its NLP capabilities, which allow businesses to extract meaningful information from large volumes of text data, like customer reviews, social media interactions, or chat logs. Automated customer service. With its AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants, Sintra AI can handle customer inquiries, providing 24/7 support while learning and improving with every interaction. Data integration. Sintra AI integrates seamlessly with your existing data sources, providing a centralized hub for data analysis and decision-making. Customizable solutions. This platform offers customizable features tailored to different business needs, whether it's for finance, healthcare, e-commerce, or marketing. Pros of Sintra AI. Ease of use. Sintra AI's interface is user-friendly, making it accessible for both tech-savvy users and those who are new to AI technologies. Scalability. It's a scalable platform, meaning it can grow with your business and adapt to your changing needs over time. Industry-specific solutions. The platform offers industry-tailored solutions, ensuring that businesses get the most out of their AI investment. Automation. With its automation features, businesses can reduce manual tasks, increase efficiency, and free up resources for more strategic initiatives. Cons of Sintra AI. Pricing. Sintra AI can be on the expensive side, especially for smaller businesses that are just starting to explore AI solutions. Learning curve. While it's user-friendly, there might still be a learning curve for users who are new to AI and machine learning concepts. Dependence on data quality. As with any AI platform, the quality of the results heavily depends on the quality of the data inputted into the system. Is Sintra AI worth it in 2025? If you're looking for a powerful and versatile AI tool to help your business gain a competitive edge, Sintra AI is definitely worth considering in 2025. Its predictive analytics, automated customer service, and customizable solutions make it a great choice for businesses across various industries. However, if you're a small business or just dipping your toes into the world of AI, the pricing and complexity might be a bit of a barrier. That wraps up our review of Sintra AI for 2025. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with your thoughts or any questions you might have. See you in the next one.